From the fields to the corridors of power, these inspiring stories of farmers' children prove that no dream is too big. Despite hardships, they persevered, cracked the UPSC exam, and are now shaping India's future. Stay with us to witness their incredible journeys of grit and determination. Vinay Patil, AIR 122, 2023. Hailing from a farming family in Nashik's Dindori, Vinay Patil was inspired by his father, a farmer with a master's degree. Despite balancing farm work, he pursued a degree in agriculture and faced two failed UPSC attempts. Undeterred, he secured AIR 122 in 2023 on his third attempt. His success highlights how a farmer's son can achieve great heights with perseverance and dedication. Pavan Kumar, AIR 239, 2023. Born to a struggling farmer in Bulandeshwar, Uttar Pradesh, Pavan Kumar assisted in the fields while studying. Financial hardships forced him to rely on self-study, using a second-hand mobile for online classes. After two failed attempts, his determination led him to success in 2023. His journey exemplifies that a farmer's son can rise above hardships and become a civil servant. Bajrang Yadav, AIR 454, 2022. Son of a farmer in Basti, Uttar Pradesh, Bajrang Yadav faced immense hardships, including the tragic murder of his father in 2020. Despite financial struggles, he pursued his education and prepared for UPSC in Delhi. Driven by the desire to uplift underprivileged communities, he cleared the exam in 2022. This achievement proves that a farmer's son can overcome adversity and serve the nation. Ram Bhajan Kumar, AIR 667, 2022. Born into a humble farming family in Rajasthan's Dausa district, Ram Bhajan Kumar worked in the fields while dreaming of a better future. Joining Delhi Police as a constable in 2009, he pursued IAS preparation alongside his job. After 8 attempts, he finally cleared UPSC in 2022. His journey is a testament to the fact that a farmer's son can achieve his dreams with persistence and hard work. Aruna M., AIR 308, 2021. Born to a silk farmer in Karnataka's Tumkur district, Aruna M. faced tragedy when her father took his own life due to financial burdens. Determined to change her family's fate, she pursued engineering and battled through 5 failed UPSC attempts. In 2021, she secured AIR 308. Her success proves that a farmer's daughter can achieve greatness despite life's toughest challenges. Ravi Kumar Sihag, AIR 18, 2021. Born to a farmer in Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan, Ravi Kumar Sihag grew up working in the fields while excelling in academics. Despite language barriers, he pursued Hindi medium and cleared UPSC 3 times before securing IAS in his 4th attempt. Deeply connected to his roots, he now aims to uplift rural communities and ensure policies benefit farmers. His journey stands as proof that a farmer's son can break all barriers and become an administrator. Shaili Rathi, AIR 308, 2020. Daughter of a hard-working farmer in Haryana's Bahadurgarh, Shaili Rathi grew up watching her father balance farming with her education. Despite 4 unsuccessful attempts, she persisted and secured AIR 308 in 2020. Her father's unwavering support and belief in self-study played a key role in her success. Her achievement showcases that with determination, even a farmer's daughter can reach great heights. Pradeep Singh, AIR 1, 2019. Son of a farmer and former village sarpanch in Haryana's Sonipat, Pradeep Singh's journey from a small village school to becoming UPSC's topper in 2019 is remarkable. Financial challenges never deterred him. He balanced work as an IRS officer while preparing for UPSC. His success is a shining example of how a farmer's son can rise to the top with perseverance. Hemanta Keshav Patil, AIR 39, 2018. Born to a dedicated farmer in Maharashtra's Shilotar village, Hemanta Patil consistently excelled in academics while witnessing his father's struggles. A gold medalist in chemical engineering, he cleared UPSC in 2018 with AIR 39. His journey proves that with education and hard work, a farmer's son can transform his destiny. Tapasya Parihar, AIR 23, 2017. Daughter of a farmer in Narsinghpur, Madhya Pradesh, Tapasya Parihar excelled in school despite growing up in a rural setting. After earning a law degree, she pursued UPSC, failing prelims in her first attempt. However, her determination led her to secure AIR 23 in 2017. Her success story is a testament to the fact that a farmer's daughter can fulfill her aspirations and serve the nation. These real-life stories showcase the true spirit of India's farming community, resilience, hard work, and an unbreakable will to succeed. If they can do it, so can you. Let their journeys inspire you to chase your dreams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content.